The Regional Institute of Advanced Studies RIAS Music Centre was officially inaugurated today in Nongpoh by Mariahom Kharkrang, Chief Spokesperson of the BJP Meghalaya. The centre aims to serve as a dedicated platform for nurturing the musical talents of local youths while promoting skill development and providing new opportunities in the region. The inaugural ceremony was attended by several distinguished dignitaries, including State BJP Vice President Kraubok Basaimot, Managing Director of the Institute, Skhem Borlang Swet, Nongpoh Headman Sylvester Minsong, among others. Speaking at the event, Kharkrang commended the Institute for its commendable efforts in empowering the youth.
Learn music. I'm telling you, hoy kata ka puli ka dangli ka don kata pinap puli pinap ya chakma puli jipi lada pinang komnu ben bati ka por ka jongpi komnu dan e kata bum dan por bunsin ni ai down dan por hable kan ti hapuli hable ni tai re lada pin cut down ya ka por ngun jongpi ba pi pulut ka mobile jopi ben pe YouTube and pe gini kitai and spend some 1 hour 2 hours but let them practice music. I'm telling you, the confidence level to you can give.
The Committee on Empowerment of Women